is this the next Bitcoin?
Right.
Or is this just going to be one of those things that fades away?
Yeah.
We've got a whole bunch of articles and research here. And some of it's pretty interesting. So
Yeah.
are you ready to jump in?
Absolutely. Yeah.
So what is the deal with Picoin?
Well, I think what's really fascinating about Picoin is that it's trying to address one of the biggest criticisms that we see about cryptocurrency,
Okay.
and that is Bitcoin's energy consumption.
Ah, yeah.
So, mining Bitcoin requires a tremendous amount of energy,
Right.
very energy intensive. And Picoin is trying to make mining accessible to everyone
Yeah.
through smartphones.
Really?
No expensive equipment, no sky-high electricity bills.
So I don't need like a basement full of mining rigs.
Exactly.
I can just use my phone.
That's the idea.
Wow. Okay. So how does that even work?
Well, it's surprisingly simple.
Okay.
You download the Pi Network app.
Mm.
You get an invitation code from an existing user.
Okay.
And that's pretty much it. You're in.
All right.
And to mine Pi, you just tap a little lightning button in the app every day.
Oh, okay.
Almost like a little check-in to prove that you're an active user.
Gotcha. Gotcha.
Yeah.
I see that our research actually even included an invitation code for anyone who's listening.
That's right.
If you're feeling adventurous.
It did.
But so if it's that easy to mine,
Right.
does Picoin actually have any value?
That's the million-dollar question, isn't it?
Yeah.
So right now, Picoin is in what's called a testnet phase.
Okay.
It's like a beta version of the network
Mm-hmm.
where they're testing things out before the official launch.
Okay.
So you can accumulate Picorns, but they don't have any real-world value yet.
So I can't trade them.
You can't trade them on exchanges. You can't buy anything with them.
Can't buy a Tesla.
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay.
Yeah.
So it's all potential at this point.
Yeah, exactly.
Right.
You can think of it like a startup company with a promising idea,
Mhm.
but no actual product in the market yet.
Okay.
The team behind Pi Network, and this is interesting, it's made up of Stanford graduates.
Oh, wow.
They are working towards launching what they call the mainnet.
All right.
That's when Picoin would become officially tradable on exchanges,
Okay.
and its value would be determined by market demand, just like any other cryptocurrency.
So that's where all the buzz is coming from.
Yeah,
Everyone's trying to get in on the ground floor
that's a big part of it, yeah?
before it potentially explodes.
There are some people who see parallels to the early days of Bitcoin.
Right.
They're thinking, what if Picoin follows a similar trajectory and just explodes in value?
Right. Like, what if this is the next Bitcoin?
Right.
But Bitcoin was the first.
Exactly. Bitcoin was the first of its kind. The crypto landscape is very different now.
Yeah. There's no guarantee that history is going to repeat itself.
Right.
But it is interesting to consider,
Yeah.
just by using my smartphone,
Mm-hmm.
I could potentially be part of this whole new financial system.
Yeah.
This is what people mean when they talk about crypto being decentralized.
Exactly, yeah.
Okay.
Pi Network's goal is to create a user-friendly cryptocurrency
Okay.
that's accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical expertise or financial resources.
So it's really breaking down those barriers to entry.
That's the idea. It's a bold vision.
Yeah.
But to understand the potential, I think we need to dig a little deeper into the technology.
Okay, let's do it.
So Pi Network utilizes something called the Stellar Consensus Protocol,
Okay.
which is a system that validates transactions and secures the network.
Mhm.
It's known for being energy efficient,
Okay.
which is what allows the mining to take place on smartphones without draining your battery.
That's clever.
Yeah.
So that's how they get around the energy issue.
Yeah, without needing specialized hardware.
That's pretty smart.
Yeah.
But even if the technology works, can something that's free to mine really become valuable?
Right.
There's got to be some sort of catch, right?
Well, there are definitely challenges and risks involved.
Okay.
We have to remember that Picoin hasn't launched on this mainnet yet, so
Okay.
its success is still very uncertain.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's talk about those challenges.
Yeah,
What are the biggest hurdles Pi Network faces,
sure.
in getting to this mainnet launch and actually, becoming a player
Right.
in the crypto world?
Well, first and foremost, they
Yeah.
need to prove that their technology can scale.
Okay.
Right now, the Pi Network is relatively small.
Hmm.
But if millions of people start using it,
Yeah.
the system needs to be able to handle all those transactions
Right.
securely and smoothly.
So it's like that's a big test.
Going from a small cafe
Yeah.
to a global coffee chain overnight,
Exactly.
like, can they brew enough coffee for everyone?
Yeah. And just like a coffee chain needs to maintain quality control.
As it expands,
Yeah.
Pi Network needs to make sure that the network remains secure and reliable,
Right.
even as it grows, which is no easy feat.
Okay, and what about getting listed on exchanges?
Yeah.
Isn't that kind of a make it or break it moment
Absolutely.
for any cryptocurrency?
For Picoin to have any real-world value,
Yeah.
people need to be able to buy and sell it easily.
Mm,
And getting listed on major cryptocurrency exchanges is crucial
okay.
for that to happen, but exchanges have very strict criteria,
Right.
and they want to see evidence that Pi Network is stable,
Okay.
secure, that it has a strong community of users
So it's like applying to a really
before they'll even consider listing it.
exclusive university.
Yeah, that's a great
They
analogy.
got to have a stellar transcript.
Exactly. And speaking of stellar,
Oh, right.
let's go back to the Stellar Consensus Protocol for a moment.
Okay.
One of the reasons why Pi Network chose this protocol is because it is designed for fast
Okay.
and low-cost transactions.
Yeah.
This is a big part of their vision for creating a user-friendly cryptocurrency
Yep.
that can be used for everyday transactions.
So they're going for something that's more practical
Even small ones.
than like Bitcoin,
Exactly.
which is seen more as an investment.
Think of it this way.
Okay.
Bitcoin is like gold, a store of value.
Mm-hmm.
Pi Network is aiming to be more like cash,
Okay.
something that you can use to buy a cup of coffee
Right.
or send to a friend instantly
Gotcha. So like a more day-to-day kind of
without high transaction fees.
currency. Okay, I see.
Yeah.
But even if they achieve all of that,
Right.
isn't the value of Pi coin still purely speculative at this point?
Oh,
I mean, anyone can download the app,
that's a valid concern.
start mining for free.
Yeah, it's true that the free entry point could lead to an oversupply of Pi coins
Right. Right.
initially. But the team behind Pi Network has a few strategies to address that.
Okay.
First, they have a tiered mining system where your earning rate decreases as more people join your earning team.
So it's in your best interest to get in early
This helps to control the overall supply.
and build a team.
That's one way to look at it.
Okay.
And second, they've stated that they may implement a burn mechanism in the future
Okay.
where a portion of Pi coins are permanently removed from circulation.
Gotcha.
And this can help increase scarcity
Hmm.
and potentially boost the value.
Interesting. So there are some mechanisms in place
Yeah,
to control that supply,
there are.
but ultimately the real test
Yeah.
is whether people actually use it, right?
Absolutely. User adoption is key.
Okay.
If Picoin can become a widely accepted form of payment,
Yeah.
then its value will naturally increase.
Right.
But that's a big if.
A big if, yeah.
Yeah.
So let's bring it back to our listener here.
Sure.
What should someone do with all this information?
Right.
Should they jump on the Picoin bandwagon right now?
Well, I wouldn't call it a bandwagon just yet. It's more like a potential path,
Okay.
but one with many forks in the road.
Right.
The biggest takeaway here is that Picoin is an experiment.
Okay.
It's an attempt to create a more accessible
Mhm.
and user-friendly cryptocurrency.
Yeah.
And while it is free to mine,
Really?
it's not without its risks.
Okay. So it sounds like with Picoin, we're really in this wait and see mode.
Yeah.
But even if it doesn't become, the next Bitcoin,
Right.
is there something valuable about this experiment?
I think that's a great question.
Yeah.
And I think even if Pi Network doesn't achieve all of its ambitious goals,
Mm-hmm.
it is pushing the boundaries
Yeah.
of what's possible with cryptocurrency.
Yeah.
It's forcing us to think about accessibility,
Right.
usability, and the potential for wider adoption.
Yeah.
And that's a conversation worth having.
One thing that really struck me going through all this material
Mm-hmm.
is this sense of community surrounding Pi Network.
Yeah.
People are sharing invitation codes. They're forming these mining teams.
Yeah.
They're having discussions
Yeah.
about the project's future.
Absolutely.
It feels different from the often very anonymous
It does.
and speculative world of other cryptocurrencies.
That's a really interesting observation.
Yeah.
It's true that Pi Network has fostered a very strong sense of community.
Yeah.
And I think that's partly because of its mobile-first approach and ease of use.
Okay.
This could be a key advantage as they try to gain more mainstream traction.
Right.
People are more likely to trust and use something
Sure,
if
yeah.
their friends and family are already involved.
So it's like the early days of social media platforms.
Exactly.
You joined because your friends were there.
Yeah, there's a network effect at play.
Okay, so there's that network effect.
And speaking of networks,
Oh, right.
remember our source material offered some tips for maximizing your Pi earnings?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Assuming it takes off.
Let's share those
We should probably share those
with our listener.
with the listener.
Yep.
Yeah. First and foremost, consistency is key.
Okay.
Mining Pi is as simple as tapping a button once a day,
Right.
but that daily check-in is important.
Gotcha.
It helps you accumulate more Pi over time.
It's like an attendance bonus.
It's like a daily attendance bonus.
Okay, what else?
Building your earning team is another important factor.
All right.
When you invite others to join Pi Network using your invitation code,
Right.
your mining rate increases.
Yeah.
It's a win-win.
So share the wealth.
You get a boost in your Pi earnings,
Yeah.
and your friends get to join the network.
All right. Any other insider tips?
Stay informed.
Okay.
Follow the official Pi Network announcements.
Mm-hmm.
Engage with the community.
Okay.
This will help you stay up to date on the project's progress
All right.
and avoid any scams or misinformation.
Good advice.
And speaking of scams,
Well, are there scams?
here's a big one to watch out for.
Okay.
Anyone claiming to sell PiCoin or saying it's trading on an exchange right now, they're trying to fool you.
Gotcha. PiCoin is not tradable yet.
Right.
Remember, if it sounds too good to be true,
Yeah.
it probably is.
All right, so do your research.
Yeah.
Be patient.
Be patient.
Don't fall for those get-rich-quick schemes.
Right.
That's good advice for crypto in general.
Absolutely. Cryptocurrency is a volatile, constantly evolving space.
It is.
It's important to approach it with a healthy dose of skepticism.
Right.
Do your due diligence.
Yeah.
And never invest more than you can afford to lose.
That's good life advice, too.
It is.
All right, so as we wrap up our PiCoin deep dive,
Yeah.
I'm left with one kind of lingering question.
Okay.
What if this whole experiment is
Yeah.
about more than just creating a new cryptocurrency?
Right.
What if it's about reimagining how we think about value community and financial systems
That's a great question.
in a digital age?
It is a very thought-provoking question.
Yeah.
And I think that's something that each individual has to kind of ponder.
As they learn more about Pi Network and the broader world of cryptocurrency,
Right.
you know, the future is uncertain.
Yeah.
But one thing is for sure,
What's that?
it's going to be an interesting ride.
Well, that's a wrap on our PiCoin deep dive.
All right.
We hope you found it insightful
Yeah,
and maybe even a little bit inspiring.
definitely.
Until next time, keep learning.
Keep
Learning
keep questioning,
is question.
and keep diving deeper.
Keep diving deeper.